We're gonna put that in. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Thanks for liking the video too, by the way. So, hi Larry. How are you, Larry? Thanks for joining.
Larry.
We need some space. And then we're gonna cut this onion up. And sometimes what I use is a Dijon mustard to put in it too as well. And then I have my sweet potato. So we're gonna cut this up. Cut it in half. This is for the gravy. The sweet potatoes for the gravy, okay? I take some of the skin off. Some of the skin I take off.
It wasn't a beginning, so shall it be in the end.
Yes, we jamming in here. We jamming with some Bob. Whoop. Pick it up for me, please. Pick it up for me.
That's your munchkin.
Pour water in this. Okay, so this is what we're looking. This is what we're cooking with. This is what the vegetables gonna look like. See that? That's what they're gonna look like.
Hey, my head. What are you?
Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. If you could smell that, smells delicious. Like delicious. Now what I usually do, I usually like to put a little bit of this in there. Just a little bit. That's for the gravy. I put a little bit of ketchup, just a tiny bit. And now I get to put the tofu in.
I love.
Everybody can see I'm putting the tofu in now. Right here. It's gotta smell like it's burning because that's the root. You're making the root. So it's gotta burn on the bottom a little bit.
Oh, what about the garbanzo bean flour? That's what you used to do. Mix it up with some water.
Yeah, but I have the plantain flour this time.
Oh, no, it'll make it sweet. Use regular flour. Just a little bit. And look, this is what I do. Take this. Wait.
And whisk it. I know.
No. Where's the we need where's this? You put it in this.
Okay, now we get ready to. This is what it looks like now. See that? You put the tofu in. This is what it's looking like now. And you grate the bottom. You get the bottom of all the roux that's under there.